India is the launched in the 2050 in the government of the India and is the country of the society in the connecting with the social is with the Wi-Fi and the infrastructure of the utility of the in the launched in the 2050 is the India is the aims the bridge of the digital electronics and the devices and the is the empowered society and the economically of the India and to the connectivity to the increasing of the services and the empowering and the efficiency is the transform the of the digitally and the ensure of the economy and the connectivity to the increasing and the easily and the through the technology and the easily accessible to the access to electronics and the government of the service online and the easily to the online and the easily to the within the India and the e-governments of the technology. It also plays to the critical and the aims to the bridge the digital divided, improve accessible of the technology and the accessible of the technology is the education of the modern sectors and the sectors and the uh, agriculture and the banking of the digital literacy and the empowering aims to the by the by the digitally empowered to the government of the increasing and the society and the digitally into the knowledge of the economy and the knowledge of the economy and the government of the services available in the easily accessible to the ensuring and the to provided broadband and the connectivity and the promoting promoting and the digital India is the promoting and the transactions of the digital of the payment is the aims to the bridge of the bridge of the internet of the connectivity to the ensuring and the digital of the efficiency is the promoting and the manufacturing of the electronics and the hardware and the software of the electronics devices is the aims of the technology of the empowering of the digital India of science and the transform the country into the digitally of the empowering and the ensure the knowledge of the economy and the knowledge of the economy of the utility to the citizen and to the services on the demand of the amazing and the accessible to the ensuring the efficiency and to the digitaling and the government of the services to the reduce of the paperwork and the improve your the services and the delivery and the to the encouraging of the digital payment and the encouraging of the UPI and the methods of the Bharat net of the expanding of the access to the ruler of the areas and the through areas of the through the optical fiber and the networks is the networks of the is the economy of the ensure the government of the growth of the technology and the growth of the technology and the modern and the sector of the like to the healthcare and the agriculture of the banking and the society of the India and the India of the aims to the transaction of the empower